Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best espresso machines, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best espresso machine options for this year. Considering price, performance, and usage scenarios, stick around to discover which espresso machines is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Breville Barista Express, best overall espresso machine. The Breville Barista Express is our top choice for an espresso machine because it offers both automatic and manual operation, as well as customizable settings, all at a pretty reasonable price. It features an integrated frother, grinder, and tamper, and comes with a stainless steel milk frothing jug and filter baskets. The machine's grinder features a conical burr with integrated precision, ensuring the built-in grinder produces the exact amount of fresh grounds to your desired consistency for each espresso shot. Plus, the integrated grinder can hold up to half a pound of espresso, so you don't need to fill it as often. Although it took us 6 attempts to get a proper shot during setup, we were extremely pleased with the quality of the espresso shots. In addition to allowing you to choose your grind setting, this machine adjusts its water pressure automatically as you use it, resulting in evenly extracted espresso with a dark color and lovely texture. The steaming function could use quicker activation, as it takes a tad longer than we like to steam, at around a minute. However, the foaming results are exceptional with tight bubbles. All of the machine's components were extremely easy to clean by hand, especially the steam wand. A Breville is a great place to start, says Alameda, who is a fan of the brand. The Barista Express tends to be a machine that I could see lasting somebody 3 to 5 years if they maintain it. At the 3-year mark, you've got your money's worth, $700. If you're using it daily for the equivalent of a $5 to $7 beverage, you'll pay at any shop. Number 2. Breville Bambino Plus, best mid-range espresso machine. The Breville Bambino Plus is a long-time favorite here at Coffee Nest. In fact, I recently awarded it the best overall title in my guide to the best small espresso machines. The Bambino Plus isn't just defined by its compact size, though. In reality, this is a powerful espresso machine with a 54mm portafilter and an automatic pre-infusion function. Costing $499.95, the Bambino Plus isn't exactly cheap. However, the machine's solid stainless steel construction and ease of operation make it more than worth the investment. In fact, as I've said elsewhere, the Breville Bambino Plus is ideal for novice baristas looking for something more authentic than a fully automatic espresso machine. With that in mind, it seemed like a no-brainer to include the Bambino Plus on my list of the best home espresso machines. Incidentally, I should mention that the Breville Bambino Plus has a fantastic automatic milk frother. Seriously, this steam wand even has a temperature sensor and allows you to adjust the milk texture to your liking. During my testing, I was able to pull delicious espresso shots time after time and enjoyed playing around with the machine's adjustable settings. Ultimately, the Bambino Plus will appeal to a wide range of home baristas, especially those with small kitchens and limited barista knowledge. Number 3. DeLonghi Stilosa, best value espresso machine. If you're looking for a more affordable option that gets the job done right, the DeLonghi manual espresso machine is the one. It costs a little over $100, yet it has a built-in frother, filters for single and double shots, and a tamper. All you need to get is a coffee grinder, unless you plan on buying your beans pre-ground, and a frothing pitcher to use with the wand. If you're concerned about the low cost, even professionals consider inexpensive machines to be good options. This machine allows you to make any drink that expensive models do, and is likely more straightforward to get the hang of. The only tricky part is that when making an espresso shot, you must manually shut off the machine, or it will continue to run. And of course, with any budget option, the quality of the build will not be as up to snuff as the other, more premium models on the list, including the plastic construction and plastic tamper. Still, for the price, we think the quality of shots is serviceable. Number 4. Breville Barista Touch Best Premium Espresso Machine. I still feel like the Breville Barista Touch is overshadowed by some of the Australian manufacturer's more high-profile offerings. However, this fantastic home espresso machine is still one of my personal favorites. Plus, at $999.95, the Breville Barista Touch represents seriously good value for the money. Thanks to its slick touchscreen interface and built-in stainless steel conical burr grinder, the Barista Touch is very user-friendly, making it an ideal choice for beginners. With that said, its performance and versatility will appeal to more experienced home baristas too. Featuring sturdy metal and plastic housing and Breville's trademark elegant design language, the Barista Touch will look lovely in any kitchen. And while it doesn't have assisted tamping like some of its more expensive siblings, it does allow you to play with espresso parameters like pre-infusion time, temperature, and volume. What's more, the machine's grinder has 30 adjustment settings, so you can dial in your shots to perfection. During my testing, I quickly learned to love the Breville Barista Touch's interface, which is super intuitive and easy to navigate. I also appreciated the fact that I could bypass the time dosing function and take more control if I wanted. To be honest, this might be my favorite espresso machine from the Aussie manufacturer. With its 54mm portafilter and lightning-fast thermojet heater, the Barista Touch can pump out really good espresso. Oh, and it's even equipped with an auto-frothing steam wand that produces better milk foam than I can make by hand. Number 5. Flair Classic Best Entry-Level Espresso Machine. Okay, I admit it. I have a soft spot for machines like the Flair Classic Espresso Maker. Since technology has made manual espresso makers redundant, that probably makes me a bit of a show-off. Plus, when I tested the thing, I found that getting to grips with the Flair involves a pretty steep learning curve. With the right treatment, however, it's capable of producing espresso of a higher caliber than many semi-automatic espresso machines. In fact, I'd go so far as to say well-extracted espresso from this machine is hard to beat. Fortunately, at $229 for the version with the pressure kit, the Flair Classic isn't going to break the bank. Still, you will need a very capable espresso grinder. Not only that, it takes a lot of time, effort, and patience to master the necessary skills to use this espresso machine. Suffice to say, the Flair Classic isn't for everyone. With that said, home baristas willing to dedicate themselves to this machine will be richly rewarded. Few other machines give you such fine control over your espresso extraction. What's more, the Flair Classic can quickly be taken apart and stored in its very own travel case. So, wherever you go, you'll be able to enjoy superb espresso. Number 6. Philips 3200. LatteGo. Best Budget Espresso Machine. There are plenty of budget super automatic espresso machines to choose from. However, in my opinion, the Philips 3200 LatteGo stands head and shoulders above the crowd. Seeing as I've named this machine Best Budget, let's take a look at what $685.44 gets you. To begin with, this Philips super automatic espresso machine comes equipped with a ceramic flat burr grinder with 12 adjustment levels. By itself, that is enough to get pretty excited about. The fun doesn't stop there, though. The LatteGo automatic milk frother is simple, well-designed, and easy to use. Plus, it's easy to clean the thing, which is always good news. Sure, I've had better milk foam from a super automatic, but at this price, I can't complain. Finally, the Philips 3200's user interface is straightforward and easy to navigate. Everything you need is right there. And adjusting espresso parameters via 3-step scale icons couldn't be more simple. In short, if you're on a budget, the Philips 3200 LatteGo represents the ideal package. Number 7. Breville Oracle Jet. Best Espresso Machine with Grinder. I just had to include the Breville Oracle Jet on my list of the best home espresso machines, seeing as I finally tested it out recently. Trust me, this latest release from the Aussie powerhouse is as close as you can get to a fully automatic machine while still being able to make authentic espresso and barista-worthy milk foam. At $1,999.95, the Oracle Jet is one of the most expensive espresso machines for home use on my list. Then again, it comes fully loaded with all the features you could ever wish for. Seriously, this thing is premium to the max thanks to its built-in Baratza grinder with 45 settings and fully automated tamping function. And of course, Breville has included the latest version of its highly successful Milk IQ system. This auto frother has always blown my mind with the quality of microfoam it can produce. Seriously, I don't know how Breville does it. Located front and center, the Oracle Jet's large color touchscreen interface lets you control every aspect of your espresso extraction. Alternatively, you can simply let the machine guide you as you pick a drink and follow instructions. Trust me, this baby will appeal to experienced baristas as much as it will to complete novices. And because of the professional 58mm portafilter, those seasoned experts will be more than happy with the results. Thanks to its thermojet heater, the Oracle Jet is ready to go in seconds. Plus, Breville has installed a dedicated heater in the group head for optimal extractions right off the bat. Number 8. Rocket Appartamento Best Premium Espresso Machine. If you're new to the world of home espresso machines, you'd be forgiven for feeling a little intimidated by the Rocket Appartamento. However, I found this gorgeous work of art to be really easy to use when I tested it. Sure, there's a learning curve involved, but that's true for any espresso maker. The difference here is that this prosumer machine uses high-quality commercial-grade components, so you'll be able to get truly professional results. For around $2,000 from the folks at Seattle Coffee Gear, the Rocket Appartamento is far from cheap. Still, if you're set on being able to make professional quality espresso and milk foam, the price is well worth it. Plus, the Appartamento is a real thing of beauty, and its retro industrial vibe will definitely enhance your kitchen. With its old-school knobs and levers, the Rocket Appartamento offers a tactile and traditional approach to espresso preparation. Other than a pressure gauge to monitor boiler pressure, there aren't any screens, buttons, or dials. And thanks to its powerful copper heat exchanger boiler, you can prepare espresso and steam milk simultaneously. Not to mention the famous E61 group head that ensures thermal stability for consistent results. All in all, the Rocket Appartamento represents a significant jump in quality from appliance-grade espresso machines. No wonder it's one of the best-selling home espresso machines out there. If you truly want to develop your barista skills, it doesn't get much better than this. Number 9. DeLonghi Dinamica Plus Best Automatic Espresso Machine. The DeLonghi Dinamica Plus has long held the best overall title in my guide to the best fully automatic espresso machines. That's because its price-performance ratio is so hard to beat. Costing $2,398, the Dinamica Plus ain't cheap. But in the super automatic world, it represents a real bargain. Equipped with DeLonghi's famous 13-step stainless steel conical burr grinder and an integrated latte crema milk flask, the Dinamica Plus is a powerful machine that allows you to whip up any number of specialty drinks at the touch of a button. And while you won't get true espresso from this fully automatic machine, it does produce a top-notch version that's very drinkable. Although the Dinamica Plus touchscreen display looks a little dated, it's still very intuitive and easy to navigate. What's more, you can use the DeLonghi Coffee Link app to operate the machine from your phone. Number 10. Terra Kaffe TK02 Best Smart Espresso Machine. The Terra Kaffe TK02 has been making waves in the fully automatic espresso machine sector of late. Building on the success of the manufacturer's initial machine, the TK01, this super modern machine has it all. For starters, the Terra Kaffe TK02 excels in the design department. Seriously, I can't think of another machine that looks quite as sleek and streamlined as the TK02. What's more, the simple touchscreen interface is a joy to use, with easily accessible menus offering a ton of customization options. Oh, and yes, the Terra Kaffe TK02 comes with Wi-Fi capability and a superb app that expands on the machine's drink menu and settings. During my testing, I was consistently impressed by the espresso quality of the TK02. Plus, thanks to its innovative dial, you're able to tweak your milk foam to your heart's content. And the best news, you can pick up the Terra Kaffe TK02 for just $1,995.